Hi, today I'll show you how to edit Elementor header and footer easily. If a page have Elementor header and footer, you can easily know that by hovering Edit with Elementor from that page's admin bar. Okay, let's edit this page's Elementor footer. Let's make some changes. Now let's change the footer background color. Publish the changes. Now let's go to our home page and reload it to see the changes. Yes, it works. Now let's edit our Elementor header. Let's make some changes. Publish the changes. Now let's reload the page. Yes, it works. This is how you can easily edit Elementor header and footer. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in our support desk.